Okay, so the Overture Composition, and I'm going to start with the level 3 task, which is to compose a 2-bar bass line. So if I go to the notation document, which you should have, so I need to play C for 4 beats, and then F for 4 beats. And then on BandLab, that's going to be the keys Z and V. So let's go to BandLab and get started with that. So I'm going to click on my instruments. What instrument should I use? You can change it at any point after you've recorded it. So I'm just going to start with piano for now. I'm going to use Z and V for 4 beats each. Okay, so make sure my metronome is on. You will probably slow it down. As this part's relatively simple, I'm going to leave it at 120. So let me call this bass line. Okay, and I'm going to record it 4 beats each. So click record. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Double click quantize. So double click or click on MIDI editor, and then highlight your notes, and then hit Q or click quantize, so they're perfectly in time. That was very fast. I would definitely slow it down. Okay, now there isn't anything specific, although I've notated the rhythm for you. You don't have to follow that rhythm. So if we do slow it down, I might want to do something more dramatic. So for example, I could do a kind of a triumphant rhythm. Okay, so you might want to do something more exciting like that for your level 3 task as well. And again, when you come back to it, so let's quantize that. What's happened here? So if we look, this is coming early. Watch out for this. This actually tripped up a lot of people last time. It's meant to start on bar 5, exactly. Okay, so that is a bit more exciting. Okay, but either of those is fine for level 3, or anything different as long as it follows C and F.